Dear students, today we will be discussing trigonometry in optional maths. Welcome everybody in optional maths class. Uh, in different books, it may be different chapters name, but basically we are studying in second chapter trigonometry. Let me highlight what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of sides and angles of the triangle. Measurement of sides and angles of the triangle. The word trigonometry is a combination of two Greek words, trigon and metron. The first word means triangle and the second word means measure. So trigonometry means the measure of the triangle. And measure of the angles. There are three different
Can we copy this all?
not needed. There are three different ways of measuring of angles. They are sexagesimal or English measure, centesimal or French measure, and radian or circular measure. There are three different ways of measuring the angles. They are sexagesimal, centesimal, and radian. English measure, French measure, and circular measure. We will measure the angles in these three systems. Again, I want to highlight we are discussing about measure of angles. There are three different ways of measuring the angles. Three different ways. First, sexagesimal system, or that is called English system, English measurement system. Centesimal means French measurement system, and radian means circular measurement system. Sexagesimal measure, the unit of measurement is degree. As we have discussed, in degree system we are measuring the angles of triangles in degree system, that is called sexagesimal measure. And in this system, or according to this system, one right angle equal to 90 degree. That we assume that is okay because we are familiar about right angle is 90 degree. So the sexagesimal measure system define one right angle is a 90 degree. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. It can be break. Okay, we can break it. 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. This system is called sexagesimal system. You should be clear about that. One right angle measure 90 degree. 1 degree means 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60, 60 and 90. This is the right angle minute and second. If we have to measure in degree system and 1 degree divided into 60 parts, that is that can be 60 minutes and 1 minute can be divided into 60 seconds. This system is called sexagesimal measure. And centesimal measure is the unit of measurement is grade. This is a new word for you all. This is first lesson of trigonometry. So degree is a familiar word for you all, but another measurement system is grade. What does that means? One right angle is 100 grades. According to grade system, one right angle equal to 100 grades. We have to suppose one right angle, this is one right triangle. This is 90 degree but 100 grade. That is the measurement. And 1 grade equal to 100 minutes. But here 1 degree equal to 60 minutes in sexagesimal. But in one centesimal, 1 grade equal to 100 minutes. And 1 minute equal to 100 seconds. So 100 relation is in centesimal measure, and sexagesimal measure is the unit of measurement is degree, but here is grade. You should be familiar with grade, word grade. Now the third measure is radian measure. an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle is known as radian. Once again, I will repeat. An angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length with the radius to the radius of the circle is known as radian. It is also known
Excuse me,
as
sir.
circular measure. So radian measure is also the new word for you all. An angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle is known as radian. So in the figure I will show you. You can see in this figure, dear students. In this figure here you can see angle BAC, that is 1 radian. Yes, the angle made by the equal arc, radius and equal arc subtended at the center, yeah, center of the circle. It is an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle. Here AB is radius, which is 1 unit, and BC is also arc, that is also 1 unit. So the angle subtended at the center, सेन्टरमा बनाएको एंगल कतिले बनाएको भन्दा यो आर्क, जुन आर्क के छ भन्दा रेडियससँग इक्वल छ, यसरी बनाएको एंगल नै 1 रेडियन मानिन्छ हामीले. 1c भन्यो के हो भन्दा द एंगल, it is the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc equal in length to the radius of the circle. AB रेडियस हो, BC आर्क हो, यो एंगल चाहिँ 1 radian मानिन्छ. This is 1c. We will verify 1c equal to 180 by pi radian. That can be that will be discussed. Theorem on circular measure. Radian is a constant angle we have to prove. Now you have to identify what is radian in this way. Now moving to the next part, dear students.
Radian भेरी बुझाइदिनु न.
Okay, if so, okay. The angle at the center of the circle subtended by an arc which is equal to the length of the radius. Radius कै length जति equal भएको arc ले center मा. Yes. Any?
नेपालीमा.
AB
भनिदिनु न.
यस
सर नेपाली रक्स.
नेपालीमै भने नि मैले. एबी भनेको रेडियस हो, बीसी भनेको आर्क हो, आर्क भनेको यो सर्कमफरेन्सको पार्ट हो, सर्कलको सर्कमफरेन्सको पार्टलाई आर्क भनिन्छ, एआरसी आर्क. अब यो एबी भन्ने रेडियस छ नि त्यस जति नै आर्क लिएर काट्यौ भने त्यो पोइन्ट एसी जोडेर बनेको जुन एंगल छ त्यो एंगललाई रेडियन भनिन्छ. 1 रेडियन. 1 रेडियन भने के छ भन्दा कुनै पनि बिग अर स्मल सर्कल, यो म्याक्सिमम हुन नि सक्छ, बिगर होस् अर स्मलर होस् हामीलाई त्यो टेन्सन भएन. मात्र के हो रेडियस र एंगल बनाउने आर्क इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. त्यो रेडियसकै बराबर भएर बनेको आर्कले सेन्टरमा बनाएको एंगललाई 1 रेडियन हामीले बुझिन्छ. I think it is clear now. Okay?
सर त के को युनिट हो नि?
त्यो रेडियन भन्ने नै युनिट हो बाबु. जस्तै डिग्री भन्ने जस्तै ग्रेड भन्ने जस्तै रेडियन पनि युनिट हो.
त एबी को लेन्थ के युनिट हो नि?
त्यो चाहिँ 1 युनिट हो बाबु. यो 1 युनिट. यसलाई 1 युनिट मान्यो. यो तिम्रो रेडियसको युनिटसँग भन्दा पनि रेडियस, अब यो सर्कल सानो बनायो ल, जत्रो यति सानो बनाए पनि प्रब्लम भएन के. यो रेडियस र यो आर्क इक्वल छन् भने द्याट इज 1 रेडियन हो, त्यसलाई टेन्सन हुँदैन. मैले यहाँ चाहिँ 1 युनिट रेडियस, रेडियसको सर्कम द्याट रेडियस सेन्टर सरी सर्कलको रेडियस चाहिँ 1 युनिट लिएर बनाएको युनिट सर्कल हो यो
1 सेन्टिमिटर हुन सक्यो
हुन पनि सक्यो इट इज मेजर इन सेन्टिमिटर सेन्टिमिटर 1 सेन्टिमिटर 1 सेन्टिमिटर जे भयो नि रेडियससँग आर्क इक्वल हुनु पर्यो भन्ने सेन्समा बुझ त्यो 1 रेडियन हो नाउ then moving to the next part dear student relation among the different measures the relation among the three different measures sexagesimal measure centesimal measure and radian measure is pi radian pi c equal to 180 degree equal to 200 grade did you get my point this
No, sir.
okay as we have discussed earlier 100 grade is one right angle yeah
Yes, sir.
and 90 degree is one right angle yeah and pi c or pi radian is also two right angle two right angle is pi radian 180 degree and 200 grade did you get my point dear students in different measures in sexagesimal measure 180 degree is two right angle in centesimal measure 200 grade is two right angle and in circular measure or radian measure pi radian pi c that in like in power pi c or pi radian the value of pi radian equal to 2 right angle it is the representation any question
No, sir.
so from the above relation we get now from this relation how it is derived with the help of right angle in grade system 200 grade is one right angle in degree system 180 is two right angle and in radian measure or radian circular system pi radian is also two right angle so from this relation all are equal to two right angle that's why they are equal
रिलेसन टु राइट एंगलको मात्र हुन्छ मतलब हामीले 3 4 जस्तो केवल लेख्नु पाउँदैन
no just this is the from one base we have to derive the relation होइन pi radian 180 degree र 200 grade equal हुन्छ किन equal हुन्छ भन्दा सबैको आफ्नो मेजरमेन्ट सिस्टम हो तिनीहरूलाई हामीले टु राइट एंगलको रूपमा लिन्छौं त्यसकारण यिनीहरू
एक्जाम्पलमा 3 राइट एंगलको रूपमा लिने हुन्छ
that is no problem 90 हाफ लिनु सक्छौ pi by 2 radian भनेको 90 degree equal to 100 grade equal to one right angle you can take
सर अब हामीले जस्तै 3 राइट एंगलको लिनु थियो भने चाहिँ पाई के लेख्नु पर्छ नि त्यसमा
त्यो त पक्का अहिले क्याल्कुलेसन आउँछ मैले तिम्रो कुरा बुझ्दै छु ल है अब सो फ्रम द रिलेसन वी गेट 1 डिग्री भनेको कति रहेछ यो 1 डिग्रीलाई ग्रेडमा लैजानु पर्यो भने युनिटरी मेथड हुन्छ नि आई विल शो यु अब 180 डिग्री इक्वल टु 200 ग्रेड हुन्छ भने 1 डिग्री इक्वल टु 200 बाई 180 यो ग्रेड हुन्छ यो क्यान्सल भयो therefore 1 degree equal 10 and 9 10 by 9 grade हुन्छ this is one relation first relation is this and second relation is 1 grade equal to यसलाई कन्भर्ट गर्दै फेरि 200 grade equal to 180 degree हुन्छ 1 grade equal to 180 degree by 200 equal to 9 by 10 degree हुन्छ यो कन्भर्जनको लागि चाहियो अब रेडियन सँग कम्पेयर गरौँ 1 रेडियन भनेको कति हुन्छ सरी पाई रेडियन भनेको कति हुन्छ 180 डिग्री हुन्छ 1 रेडियन भनेको कति हुन्छ 180 by pi degree next अब 1 degree equal to radian मा अब 180 डिग्री भनेको पाई रेडियन हो भने 1 डिग्री भनेको पाई बाई 180 सी हो। यो पनि यो कन्भर्ट गर्यौ। अब फेरि ग्रेडमा पनि लैजाऊ। तिमीलाई थाहा छ 200 ग्रेड भनेको पाई रेडियन हुन्छ। 1 ग्रेड इक्वल टु पाई बाई 200 रेडियन हुन्छ यी नम्बर। एन्ड फाइनल्ली यो भयो। अब रेडियनमा लानु पर्यो। पाई रेडियन इक्वल टु 200 ग्रेड हुन्छ भने 1 रेडियन इक्वल टु 200 बाई पाई ग्रेड हुन्छ। आई बिलिभ कन्भर्जन चाहिँ तिमी जुन चाहियो त्यसैमा लैजाऊ। आई थिङ्क यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड दिस।
So can you show previous slide?
हजुरले आज पढाएको क्लासरुममा हालिदिनुहुन्छ कि नै?
Yes, I will. Sorry. Let me show the example. Suppose 70 grade. We have to convert into degree. We know that 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degree. So 70 grade equal to 9 by 10 into 70 degree equal to 63 degree. Very simple. So 70 grade equal to 63 degree. And second example, 30 grade 50 minute. 30 grade 50 minute equal to 30 plus 50 by 100 grade. 30 plus 0.5 grade. 30.5 grade. यो ग्रेडलाई मिनेटलाई हामीले फेरि ग्रेडको मिनेटलाई नै ग्रेडमा कन्भर्ट गर्दा 50 लाई 100 ले डिभाइड गर्यौं अनि यति आयो।
So can you show previous slide once?
Wait for a few minutes. And then 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degree. 30.5 grade equal to 9 into 30.5 degree equal to 27.45 degree. Therefore 30 degree 50 minute equal to 37.45 degree. Okay. Again I want to explain this, dear students. In previous slide, let me again repeat. We have to convert 70 grade into degree. So we know that 1 grade is 9 by 10 degree. 70 grade equal to 9 by 10 into 70 degree. That's why 70 grade equal to 63 degree. Similarly 50 grade, 25 grade, 45 grade you can convert. Now 30 grade 50 minutes we have to convert into degree. That is challenging for us. So first of all we have to convert 30 grade 50 minutes into grade first. Means this minute we have to convert into. For this let me write the solution first of B number, dear students. First convert 50 minutes into grade of 50 minutes. 50 minutes equal to 50 by 100 grade equal to 0.5 grade. Now 30 grade 50 minutes equal to 30 plus 0.5 equal to 30.5 grade. Now 1 grade equal to 9 by 10 degree and 30.5 grade equal to 9 by 10 times 30.5 whole degree. Then it is 27 point how much? 27 point. It is 27.45. 27.45 degree, not grade. So in this way we can find 30 grade 50 minutes equal to 27.45 degree. How to convert grades into degree, that is our next part. Firstly, 45 degree into grades I have to convert. We know that 1 degree equal to 10 by 9 grade. So 45 degree equal to 10 by 9 times 45 grade equal to 50 grade. And hence 45 degree equal to 50 grade. It's very easier. And the next question is 32 degree 15 minute into a grade we have to convert. For this, firstly 42 degree 15 minutes equal to 32 plus 15 by 60, because 50 minutes we have to convert into degree by dividing by 60, because 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So 15 minutes equal to 15 by 60 degree. You should be clear in this part. And 32 plus 0.25 from division, that is 32.25. Now 1 degree equal to 10 by 9 grade. So 32.25 degree equal to 10 by 9 into this. So it is 35.833 or 35 whole 5 by 6 grade. Hence 32 degree 15 minutes equal to 35 whole 5 by 6 grade. In this way we can convert degree into grade. Similarly, express the following angles into sexagesimal system. What is sexagesimal system means? What is sexagesimal system? Sexagesimal seconds. Okay, that a degree into second, like that. Firstly 20 degree we have to convert into minute, and again minute by 60, then it will be second. Again I want to repeat, we have to convert degree into second. For that 20 degree times 60 is minute, again minute times 60 is second. So here 20 times 60 times 60 is 72000 is second in this system. I believe you understand this. Now for this question, 10 degree 40 minute into second we have to convert. So first degree multiply by 60 plus 40 we can convert into minute, that is 600 plus 40 is 640 minutes. Then again we have to multiply by 60 to convert into second, 38,400 second. Hence 10 degree 4 minute equal to 38,400 second. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Similarly, in a grade system, express the following angles into centesimal system. Here, dear students, 16 grade we have to convert into second. Simply we have to multiply 100 in this system to convert into minute, and again that minute by 100, that is second. So 16 grade equal to 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 1,60,000 second. And for 80 grade 80 minutes into second centesimal system, first multiply the grade by 100 to convert into minute and add 80. I think you understand this. So it is 8080 minute. Again minute into second, multiply by 100. So 80 grade 80 minutes equal to 8080 second. In this way we can convert centesimal second into centesimal second, means grade but in seconds, grade system. And yes,